Jimbo's Garage.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Jimbo's Garage. Well, today is not going to be a build video day today. This is going to be a review on my Harbor Freight US General 72-inch triple bank toolbox. Now, I've had this box for about a year and a half now, and it was an upgrade from the 56-inch Husky 16-inch deep box that I had over here forever. I mean, it served me well. I had filled to capacity, but you know, I am a tool collector. I've been collecting tools since I was 7 years old, and I've got quite a collection right down here. I'm going to show you that here in just a little bit. But I simply outgrew that Husky 56-inch, where I had tools from different cabinets throughout the shop right here, and that's not what I wanted to do. My goal was to get everything into one storage tool cabinet that I could be efficiently used and organized, and that was my goal. So I've had my eye on the 72-inch for a long time now, and I was waiting for the right time to purchase this. Now, if you hold on at Harbor Freight and hold out, they offer good discounts certain times of the year, and that's what I was holding out for. I'm a member at Harbor Freight, so you get additional coupons and additional discounts. Every once in a while, they would give you a 50% in-store coupon, and that's what I was really waiting for, to get this thing at a super good deal. But you know what? I got the best deal I could. So what I got this box for is, I believe that this box, the top box, got it on sale for $8.99 plus a 20% discount on top of that. The bottom box I got for $13.99 plus a 20% discount off of that. And then the side locker right here, I think was $259. I ended up getting it for $220 plus the 20% discount off of that. So all this together out the door, right around $2,000 with the discounts and tax and everything. Not a bad price, good quality box for a very fair price. So I opened this section up, like I said, to 8 feet wide. And I knew that that was going to accommodate this box right here. So this box here now, almost 5.5 feet tall, 72 inches wide. It is 22 inches deep from front to back. The drawers open up to 19.5 inches. Now that is a huge difference from what I had on this box of the 56-inch Husky box. And one of the reasons that I chose this box right here, that triple bank, 72-inch triple bank, is the drawer configuration. This is the drawer configuration that I was looking for. You know, US General offers different size boxes at different drawer configurations. They also have a line Icon toolbox, maybe a grade step better quality than this, but also different drawer configurations. And this is the one that I was looking for. This is the one that's going to work good for me. Now for you, might be different. So what I'd like to do is I like to bring in, I'm not going to show you everything. I'm not going to bore you and show you open up every drawer and show you all that, but I'm going to open up a couple of these drawers and show you why I chose this layout and this box configuration. So let's do it. Today's video is sponsored by King Metals. They've got all your fabrication needs in one location. From hinges to hardware, balusters to metal decor, brass to aluminum, and a whole lot more. You name it, they've got it. Check them out today at kingmetals.com. Now let's get back to today's video. All right, full disclosure. Harbor Freight, I am not affiliated with them at all. They are not paying me to do this video. I am doing this out of my own heart and what I believe is a real good value for a tool storage cabinet. All right, so one of the very first things I did when I got this box was take the lid off the top. It has a closing lid that comes down and locks. I did not need that for the setup that I have right here, so I've taken that off. I'm storing it in the back here. If I need to put it one day when I move or whatever happens, I've got that lid back there and I can put it back on. For now, I took the box off, the lid off, because I like this storage area right here. Got a light up underneath here, and this is some of my go-to stuff regularly and daily, and this just works out the best for me. I can barely get the camera back far enough to show you this when this drawer opens up. The box is so high, but this is the best I can do. I hope you guys can can see this. So what I like to do is I go screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, miscellaneous things, items that you get into regularly. So here in the top box, this is the screwdrivers, and I've got a full selection here of just about every size of screwdriver that you could possibly need. And this is the go-to box for that right here. Top drawer, I got these organizers right here, Toolbox widgets. They're a little pricey, but they do a great job in organizing everything. I really like that right here. All right, next drawer is pliers, and I've got these. This is just an organizer that I found on Amazon. Maybe not ideal, but it works for me, and this is I'm okay with that. I've got miscellaneous pliers back over here, but for the main pliers I use right in this area right here, keeps them organized, works well for me. All right, third drawer down is wrenches. This is my go-to drawer for my wrenches here. Adjustable wrenches here. I got metric on this side. I got standard on this side here, and miscellaneous wrenches in the back. Stuff that I go to regularly, all the time. It just makes it convenient right here. All right, this drawer right here is the wide drawer, the long drawer. This is one of the reasons that I chose to get this box, because of this drawer right here. 4 inches deep, and this drawer houses all my sockets. I like it because the deep wells fit inside here nice. And I have a lot of sockets, all different sizes, so everything fits in here really nice. That's another reason why I chose this box configuration for this particular setup right here. Works really good for me. All right, so this drawer is what I was talking about earlier about my tool collection. Since I was 8 years old, I've been collecting tools, and I've put together this collection, and I very rarely get into this drawer right here. This is just something that I've been collecting over the years and putting together. Most of it is all Craftsman. There's some gear wrench in here, but this set over here is, as I've had since I was 8 years old, the full set is there. And like I said, most of it's all Craftsman. There's some gear wrench in here. I've got some bigger metric right tools over here. Again, just part of the collection of wrenches. I've just had this. Very rarely do I get into this drawer right here. Okay, for the rest of these drawers right here, I'm just going to go through them for simple. These are my hammers. I keep everything in here. I got pop rivets and pop rivet stuff in here. Miscellaneous electrical supplies and stuff, hardware and stuff in here. And of course the big drawer on the bottom with bigger, more heavy duty stuff. All right, these smaller boxes right here, miscellaneous storage. I got pencils, markers up in here, and this is just miscellaneous stuff. Torques, wrenches, and smaller screwdriver stuff, specialty stuff here. Brushes and small little stuff in here. We get down to this drawer right over here. All right, for these drawers right here, I got my files in this drawer, Allen wrenches in this drawer, and so on and so forth all the way down. Just miscellaneous items that you would use normally. Good storage for the stuff down here. And of course the big box in the bottom for a little bit bigger items. I can't get back far enough of the side locker to show you the full thing, but in the side locker here is my boxed items, specialty tools that I have stacked here, some safety glasses and stuff that I like, in the box stuff that I like to keep stored in here. Side locker works great for that. Plus it's locking, of course, if you need to lock it up and put some real nice stuff in there. All right, then of course on this side, more small drawers, miscellaneous items. Like I said, brushes in here. I got staples for all my staple guns, nail guns, brad nailers, all pin nailers, all that stuff in here. So it's all good storage and keep everything nice and together. So overall, I love my 72-inch triple bank. Now, I want to say this is, I believe it's what they call Series 2. The new Series 3 is out right now. And, that, I don't know if you're able to get these anymore, but there is a really big difference in the Series 3. The one biggest difference in the Series 3 is the way the drawers open up. So if you notice, all of these drawers open up with a lever here on the top right-hand side, and you slide these drawers open. Works perfect for me. The Series 3, however, all the way across has a ribbed plastic like lever. You reach underneath there with your fingers, slide it sideways in any location in here, and the drawer slides open. Now, I find that very uncomfortable. So I'm very happy with the older style box. I don't know if they're available anymore. I think Series 3 is the only thing that they have available at this point. But that's a big difference. I'm okay with that. Just this little lever here to the right works good for me. And if you notice, all these drawers open and close perfectly smooth. Really like it. I've had no problems at all with this box right here. So there it is, the overall review after about a year and a half. I love it. I think it's a great value for the price. Now I know that you guys out there, some of you mechanics, your Snap-on, Cornwell, Mac, hey, I appreciate you guys, I really do, and I know that I'm not here to judge anybody by any means. I know that that's where you like to go, and a lot of you people think this may not be, it might be junk and may not be for you, and that's perfectly fine, I understand. But for me, the home gamer, the weekender, this is a good box, good quality for the value. All right, so there it is, the year and a half review. If you guys see some value in this like I did, I suggest you check out Harbor Freight, the US General Line boxes, all different sizes. It's a good box, good value for the price. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you on the next video.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.